Somebody said he doesn't like you. Eh? Somebody said he doesn't like you because your nose long or your nose short. And you are crying. Because of say the person say he doesn't like you. Now you're God. Now they feed you. Those people where they like, that person where they like, how much that person they pay them per month? Yes. How much that person will like they pay him per month as he no like you. Maybe anytime, maybe you don't do you bad thing. You understand? The thing no reach your side. So anytime we see you, he hates you. My dear, they hate me, make her they go far. They hate me, make her they go far. Thank you. Never you think all these things. Don't allow all these things to bother you. Somebody said I didn't like you. Because of that, you are crying. Those people weighing like, that person weighing like, how much that person they pay a month. One then sit down for your chair very well, I beg. Make you not stand up, I beg. Thank you.